Good evening, traders. Vindy and SpecialK here with FuturestraderElite. Looks like we're going to have a slow start here because I cannot get logged in on NinjaTrader. It does this to me every night. If I try to get into the evening session, it's like, all right, I just got in, so my screen's going to be froze for the first few minutes. Because it takes at least sometimes 2 or 3 minutes for all the data to calculate before it'll unfreeze my screen. Huh? What's going on, Remod? What's going on, Swang? Just waiting on my screen to unfreeze here. Yep. Don't jump. Don't jump in on the first 1 minute candle or 15-second chart. Market's open, but probably take me about 3 minutes here. I'm gonna guess, calculate. Hey, what's going on, Avita? All right, I think I might have just unfroze. Where's price at? All right, go. So first off, I need volume down. Well, now I'm gonna try to go to another chart. I'm gonna try to map some things out. Pros. Got down a little for our box. Like, and we're currently sitting at the 4-hour low, something like this right here, from the candle that closed the day session. So like that, I didn't watch the market through all this. I finally got everything in a green and I logged out of everything. This is a pretty nasty drop they had here. Like, glad to have everybody here. All right, now I'm gonna look at a 15-minute chart real quick, see if I can find us any balance or anything that's worth the chart here. Like everything about been tagged. We got some bearish imbalance. Here. Second. There's one imbalance on 15. I have another one. Bearish. Three. Wow. Get smaller though. Got more imbalance there. And we have a little bit more. I guess I should draw it on. Just like they might try to take it out, try to move this up. But you never, they could reject that possibly. All right, so this is all 15-minute bearish imbalance above us. 424 to 438, 463 to 480, 496 to 546. Lots of 15-minute imbalance. Hey, what's going on, James? I think I've got everything set up for. Thanks, man. Everybody ready to tackle this session? The ATR is around 12 or 13 points in 1 minute. We got a pretty big down move there already. So, you know, let's say they want to keep on pushing down. I wouldn't be surprised. This is falling in line with what I was talking about. That 29.5 to the downside could be a possibility if they really want to clean the charts up. I talked about that on the stream all day today. I mean, if you look, just crank my screen up here. That'd be this that gap up. Remember they did that gap up overnight. I think it might have been right before Memorial Day, and we've been upward drive ever since. So because we was trying to tackle 30K. Once we tackled 30, it looked like we was going to tackle 31. But now, with what they've been doing, they act like they might want to come on down. We're gonna, I think I might try to short. There was a, say under 420. Around where that 15-minute high is. Yeah, James, you talking about the recovery today during the day session when it went up? I seen just as soon as I got off stream that thing started going, and I took one trade and got back to break even on them three that were red, and I think I took one trade, I think hour to get them $100 in the green. And I traded some other ones as well though, but I was doing so much running around. Got the old ribs on the smoker because we're gonna be eating ribs for dinner. Got a little while for those. I think a couple hours maybe. Check them in an hour. You know, don't forget to smash that like on the stream, everyone. If you're enjoying the streams, smash that like button. Run them likes up. We can grow the community better up here in the Asia session evening. You know, if we get to 25 likes while we're on stream, I'll give a copy of the Trader Mindset book away to someone in chat. I'll throw a invite Discord. Anybody comes along new, ain't part of the want to join, link will be in the chat. Backing right here on that golden pivot right here. You know, I like my golden pivots. They act like magnets a lot of times. Down here, come down here and test some of this lower side here. But the orb high there's from the New York session. Stay on there until it updates tomorrow. Pre-market high, what was that? 330. I'd hate to get in a short because the momentum was already up on the downside, like in case they want to bounce. Was I confident on recovering? Yeah, I mean, I've had to do it plenty of times. All the years that I've been trading, I don't really get nervous. And I didn't really size up much at all. I was chopping it down, mainly anywhere between 1 and 3 micros. Most of those. A couple times I think I went 5, and it did. I During the recovery phase, I did. I think I took one red trade that went against me once I got back to like 200 in a red. I think or 100 something in a red. I can't remember, but I took a loss. I think I took 3 or 5 micros. It hit me. I got back over 200 or 300, and then I just, it's slow and steady. Trying to time your entries just the right way, and following and understanding what you're seeing on the chart. I don't really want to blow, like I wasn't in a funded account when that happened. I was in a set of evals when I got them read, because I would have never been in that one trade with 10 or 15 micros in my funded account. But if you once you've had to do it or done it plenty of times, a lot of the emotional stuff and what you're talking about, nervous and all that goes away. Well, when you use proper size. I'm not going to say maybe I wouldn't have been nervous like if I was trading minis, had like 5 or something. Yeah, I probably would have been nervous. Probably would have been biting my nails off or something. Because then at that point, I kind of know that I'm almost gambling. Instead of being a professional trader, I'm being a professional gambler. If that makes any sense, James. I feel like this wants to see a bigger move to the downside, but possibly not. Are you over there shorting? Are you winning? SpecialK shorting. Are you getting ate up? We're gonna go short too for now, and I think I will put what am I in at 377. Out up here, our big about $120 stop, I think, or somewhere around there. If I lose, I lose. I feel like there's going to be a drop come out of it, but it could get down to say 363 and really snag up a little bit down there on 15-minute structures. I'm going to take I'll go to the orb high here and take one off at the orb high. No, I'll take 2 off at the orb, and I'll hold one. I'll hold one as a runner. 15-minute candle's about to close in a minute. 1 minute. If it closes below, say, 360. There could be a lot more downside in play here. 2 stop there, just in case. Come on, push back down. Take my 2, not those 2, the other 2. 30 seconds left for it to close. If it pushes down through my order and closes, then what might be on the table, then we could possibly be seeing somewhere around 292 if they want to keep pulling it down. Come on, push down. Push it down. Closer to my other order. Go tag it. Get it. Get it. Push. Man, that's so messed up. Come on, push. Like it wicked down there and hit it. All right, that 15-minute candle already closed. So it closed right at structure. 15. So either they might bounce it here, or they need to break below. Protected either way. Close. Move this, that wick right there. See, because they might pop us up here. You would have been worried, because if you would have had a bigger loss, yeah. I mean, eventually that's something I think you'll get past. Do the wrong thing enough times, and I passed all. It's a journey. It's a journey. It's different for everybody. How long it takes, where they're at. One thing that I don't worry so much about, I guess, when I'm in them evals, is because at that point in time, I'm not using my money, you know. I'm using someone else's capital, so I'm trying to pass it. Yeah, I don't want to blow it, but if I blow it, I'm out of $20. That's what I paid for the eval, you know. And now, in order to blow it, I have to lose $2,500. Well, I'm not losing $2,500 on my money. I'm losing $20 of my money, you know. So, in retrospect, I'm not really gonna be hurt by $20. You just don't want to keep doing it over and over and over and over, you know. No, right now, James, all I'm trading is Bullinox. Keep up front, activation fee in the back. A lot of people don't like that. They complain about the activation fee, yet they'll blow 4 evals in a row for Tradeify or Take Profit or anybody with the no activation fee. They'll blow 4 evals in a row and have more money tied up in that than what I do on one Bullinox. Yet they complain about the activation fee. Each into their own. Some people, you know, have their own thing, you know, whatever. I like to pay less up front. I don't mind paying activation fee in the back. I have no intentions on running through accounts like that either, though. But people can't also sit around and pretend like they're getting these evals and passing the very first go round. People are blowing evals left and right every single day. And if you're blowing them ones that are high up front and you're paying that reset fee or whatever they're doing just so that they don't have no activation fee, kind of insane to me. And I know from experience, I've traded all those with no activation fee. I've blowed those evals. I've spent the money to reset. And then I was like, mathematically, this ain't adding up. I might as well just buy the cheap ones. That way, if I do blow it, it is what it is. I have used API. I don't know. I need to go back and read the new rules ever since they rolled it back out. And that's where I think that might be my next step, maybe, first I need to get to I can max out 11 funded accounts with Bullinox, and I want to get there first. Still have a few more to go. So then, you know, once I have that part in place, I'm tired of I used to have like counts at all the props all at one time. And to me, it's like prop jumping, just like strat jumping. People jump from strat to strat, can't understand why they're not passing anything. And then I don't see the point in jumping around with the prop firms either. Not until I'm ready. Used to, I just have like 5 here and 5 over there and 5 here and 5 over there. Yeah. I wasn't maximizing. You know, and I don't like to have to keep up with all that. At one time, I was having to check this and check that every time I turn around. Log into this one, log into that one. And who knows? I mean, if I can get to the 11 funded in Bullinox, I might not go anywhere else for a little while. As long as I keep rotating them and taking payouts from them, I might just be satisfied with that for the time being. I don't know for how long. I mean, the actual goal is to try to get 30. 25 to 30. Probably, well, no, my goal was really 30. But, you know, it's going to take time because you have your ups and downs. You're not going to win every trade. You're not going to win every day. And no matter how good a trader you are, you're not going to keep that funded account forever. At some point, it's going to blow. Because at any given point, emotions still do come in and take effect of any trader, no matter how good they are at controlling it. And it might not be often, but there'll be that one day, you know, that one day. And it might not even be the chart that's triggering. It could be something else in your life going on. Maybe you shouldn't have been trading in the first place. Well, it's kind of like Swang's on with us tonight. And Swang ain't been feeling good, you know. And I know what it's like to be sick and try to trade. It's usually not a good idea. And then SpecialK was dealing with some stuff this morning. She ended up in the red this morning. And she should have never been trading. She even said it herself. So she locked herself out. She didn't even try to get it back. Now it sounds like she's sitting over a full porting. What? Wait, are you in something? You in something long? Ooh. Ooh, wait, did you get out in the green? Aye. At that. I ain't no telling what's going on. Take out that low. Let's go. Let's drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Don't you suck that all the way back up. Go to the downside. Come on, you 15-minute candle. Push down. I'll add to my position 375 or so if it gets up there. Were you still in it? Long? Wow. I'm about to short this. I'm about to short this down to 300. Come on, let's go. Push it down. Yeah, they take out this low right here. It'd be a free fall. Well, it's got to take it out and close below it on the higher time frame. Adam, I have traded. I don't trade it anymore, or I hadn't recently anyway. Come on, let's go down to 300. Show us what you're working with. I'll tell you what, come right here and pick those up. Come on, pick them up. Get it. What I'm talking about. Take me to 300. Oh, let me put a stop in. On down, push. 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 Oh, it's dirty. Push. Nice. Come on down here to this pre-market. I don't do that. Come on. Come on down here. What I say, 300? Yeah. Come on, get it. I'm going to go 310 just to be on the safe. All right, we got our protection in. Adam, sorry about that. Too focused on what I'm trading right now, but yeah. Well, it's been a while. Back when it got real volatile. I don't know if you remember, prop firms was halting it and all that mess, or not halting, but you wasn't allowed to trade it. Something. So I just quit messing with it altogether. On push. They stop at about 3. Don't make. That's not the level. So it could still be downside here, but I'll gladly stop out of the trade. The real move is the 292. Say 295. Move this all the way up here because I'm in the green. Just to see what they do here. Give it some time to breathe. If you're enjoying the stream, don't forget to smash that like button. Like button so we can push that stream out there on YouTube. Get some more members gathered here. If you hadn't already, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Set those notifications, and that way you'll be notified every time we go live. We live stream the New York Open 5 days a week. And right now, I think we're going to be testing the waters on the Asia session on Tuesdays and Thursdays. See how things go. I think they can hear you. SpecialK said the more people we can get in Asia session, the more we'll start streaming at night or in the evening session for a while. Nice job, Adam. Nice push there. In short, 340 out 327. I like it. Love the scalp. Nice base hit. Are you trading the micros or the minis, Adam? Yeah, Adam. Come on, push back down. You know you want to get that 295 area. About to close my position. I don't like it. Well, I guess I'll let it come up here and test that 9 EMA and see what happens. I'm in the green. I'll just let it ride. I'll leave my stop there. Let the runner try to do its job. I took, how many did I have? 3? No, I took 5 initially. So I'm out of 4. Let the runner do its thing. I'm just under $300. Copying 5 accounts. It'll be a nice lick. If I can get this pushed down some more and get 300 per account. That old momentum's exhausted on the 15. It's trying to curl on the 15-minute chart, the upside, so hard there too. It really could try to bounce. They don't have to go down to that next structure level. No, I don't know why they stopped it where they did. That don't make a lot of sense. Yeah, but still, I mean, there ain't nothing that significant anymore in the structure. Or no, that's what it just put that in. When it not, yeah, it is the overnight low now, but there was no level there. Stopped in the middle inside a structure. Bounce. They take 292, they're going to 251. If they can take out 251, we'll see 150 before we get a significant bounce. but maybe not. I mean, they could bounce it here. We don't predict, we react. So I'm going to move my stop down. Well, I'll leave it to yours around 11. Adam's trading micros, 3 contracts. You copy trading, Adam, across multiple accounts? All right, I'm done with the trade. I'll close out manually. Yeah, I don't think I think NQ structure is easy to read. It's a little more volatile, especially during the New York session, because of news, and well, you get news overnight as well. But I do know what you mean about the uh, reading the chart on gold. Well, as far as structure goes, I'm a structure trader. Everything I do is based on structure. But then, of course, we have high confluence areas mapped out. Got 1 hour highs and lows that map out once something breaks higher or lower on that time frame. It'll update from the 15-minute to the 4 hour. Have pre-market highs, lows, overnight high, lows, orb high, low from the New York sessions on there. It'll stay there until it updates tomorrow. I got mapped EMAs, the 50 EMA, the 5, 15, 30, 60-minute, all mapped on the chart. Pivot points, decision entry zones, anything to add confluence to the trade plan, whatever that might be. Get to 25 likes on the stream tonight, and before we stop the stream, and I'll give a copy of the Trader Mindset book to someone in chat. Join the stream, just smash that like button so that YouTube it'll get out there in that algo and get it pushed out further. I greatly appreciate all the support and people showing up and showing out, locking in that green. Uh, 282 times 5, whatever. A little bit of slippage there. Some of them are off a little by some change. Nice. Appreciate that, Swain. Feeling any better, Swain? Tell all the other traders and your family and your friends and your neighbors come join the FTE community. If you want to join the Discord, you could add the FTE tag to your profile on Discord so that when you're in other socials, they can see where you're representing. A little should be back to normal. Good deal. Good deal, Swain. Glad you're feeling a little bit better. Nope, they might just try to bring this on up and still take it down. Maybe they try to push it on back up here, or maybe that's as high as they can get. Might ought to throw a little trend line here. Another one. All right, there. Make this bigger so I can see where that trend line goes. Try to get it just right. That'll be close enough. There it is. So we'll see. Go back in short here. We can get a push back down. Take some off. Just try to scalp this on the way down. They can take my 2. I'll leave a runner on the table to the might ought to scalp out of this a little tighter than that. Hate to give back all my green. Know what I mean? Well, I gotta get me something to drink. Hopefully this don't go against me too bad. Also need to check my timer. Got about 30 minutes. I'm about to check on the ribs. Serious right now? You got to be kidding me. What's happened? Well, they picked one of them up, huh? And then went against me. Okay. Yeah, ribs for dinner. Had to go get something to drink. Now I'm in the red again. Uh, yeah, doing the 3-2-1 method. Got them. Smoking them on the smoker. Hit boss. Smoked them for 3 hours. I wrap them for 2 hours. And I cook them for another hour. Out of the wrap. They ought to be about falling off the bone by now. I am. It's 5:37 here. I'm in Central Time. I think y'all are 2 hours behind me. I was doing good until I wasn't. They need to go back down. Go back down. I'll see what this does. I ain't scared to hold this trade up here somewhere. You know, if they come up here and test, what am I in at? 37, 7. Ugh, that's a little ways. That's all right. I'll let it go against me. If I have to give all my green back, I will. remod, they're gonna be real good. Be like one of the first times ever that I've been able to smoke ribs and be able to eat them before my kids get to them. I ain't got any kids here at home right now. None will be back till Friday, I believe. Or, well, that's tomorrow. Or Saturday. How's everybody doing right now? So far in the evening session, are we green, red? Uh, not taking any trades yet. Look at this ATR done dropped off to 6.5, 7.7. I got 2.76. Don't really like that price action. Nice. Yep. I like the discipline and waiting. Wait until you feel better. Got us a little higher low. Got a low, higher low here. What if they push? Maybe I ought not give all my green back. I'm going to close this trade out. That way I'm still over 200 bucks. And wait and see what they got going on here. I need not be doing anything too crazy. Yeah. I know there's been days when I was real bad. Like I think one day I was trading, I had the flu for like a week or something like that. And I tried to trade just about every day. And man, that was a horrible week. I should have never did that. Never should have did that. I was regretting it by the time Friday rolled around. Talk about boring. Trying to go in short again. Scalp out a little bit. Get us a little push down here. Here. Come on, give us the push. Push. No, you want it. No, you want to go down. Just go down. Ooh. Got it. Crazy wick down. Oh. Woo. Having fun now. What's going on, Richard? I think you're still in your trade. You must have an awesome entry. What'd you get in short at? Wow. SpecialK is in a short at 362, and she's been outside on the phone for the last 20 minutes with a stop in, like at break even. I walked by there to make myself a drink, and I was like, wow, she in a short, and she went outside. Still in that thing. Richard's trading 15 accounts now. I'm copying 5 right now. Money from work. What? Oh, I was thinking parents. Oh. Yeah. Need to try to remember to take a picture of my ribs when I go check on them. Put that in Discord. Life outside of trading. Let's go. If you're enjoying the stream, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps the community grow as a whole. Only 6 likes on the stream as of now. If we get to 25, I'll give away a FTE Trader Mindset book. Read. Something to always look back on. Having a bad day. Yeah, everybody. I like that train. I like the train of thought you have there with the compound. So many people are so worried about the oh man, I need to make $1,000 per account today. Well, you should try to slow down, take it easy, and try to take base hits, compounded, and then spread across several accounts. I would much rather be making anywhere from $100 to a few $100 a day across multiple funded accounts than a handful of funded accounts trying to hit these home runs. I say that because I've played that game. That's what I was doing last year when I was trading mini. I was trying to and I did, but there's nothing like passing eval, getting to funded, getting one payout, blown it in 2 weeks from then, never got your second one, pass another eval, get it funded, maybe take a payout, maybe blow it, so you get another one, then you finally get another payout, and then you might get 2 payouts, then you blow it. And all that constant back and forth for me was telling me that when I started this year, I thought about it long and hard. I looked at everything that I did last year and sat down and was talking with the wife, SpecialK, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to switch the whole thing up. I'm going to scale way back. Still do the same types of trades, but I'm going to scale way back. It might take me a little bit longer, shooting for them base hits. The problem is once they start compounding, and you get past them buffers, and you're not stressed out because you're not trying to go for $5, $6, $7,000, $1,500 a day. It's easier to take small base hits from the market, and once you get them all in line and set up, they start rotating, pretty easily as far as payouts go. You done already? SpecialK is already done for the evening. Got our loss in half from earlier during the New York session. Good. Must have made about $250 or something like that. Had about a $500 drawdown today, maybe on a 25K, I believe. If we have any new members on the stream with us, let us know in chat. Welcome you to the community. We welcome you now. Maybe you're listening in the background. Maybe you're just checking some things out. If you have any questions, throw them in chat. I mean, I could be that guy, like, I could be like the guy that says, you know what, I'm going to end this stream here in about 15 minutes. I'm going to go jump in my Lambo. I'm going to drive out to the airport and get in my personal jet. Have my pilot meet me over there. I'm going to flash a bunch of bills on video and show you all these luxuries in life that ain't really happening because they're all lying, every single one of them. At least it's her job that has her a little rattled instead of me. Gotta be nice to her. I'm not gonna let her have none of these ribs. Eat them all. "17 minutes. Get them and unwrap them, flip them." Now, look at this. So I'm at 290. Hold on. Yeah. All right. So I'm at 290. No, you're not touching my ribs. I'll come out there and get them. 290, and say how many people are like, oh man, I'm at 290. I just need $10 more to get to 300. $10 more. So then you end up forcing a trade for $10, and you catch a death candle, and you're like, hopefully not 300 in the red. So you have to have the mindset, I should lock out. I should actually rotate out of these. Not going to yet. But there's a lot of traders out there that will force that last $10, or say I needed $10 more to pass a set of evals. And you're like, oh, it's just $10. How hard could it be? It can't be that hard to get $10. And so then you get the bright idea of, say, you size up. Say you normally trade 1 to 3 micros or 5 or something, and you decide you're going to go 15 micros because you could get it in like a real quick scalp. And then bam, you catch the wrong kind of candle and you just blew the eval that you was $10 away from passing because you just could not wait. Couldn't just wait for a good trade to set up. He was too impatient. Happens to traders every day. It's happened to me. Been there, done that. Swain, he said that they've been there before. And you know, I mean, I've been there plenty of times. I don't do that anymore, not ever again, because it's happened way too many times to me. Size up. I just need to get like 3 points, 4 points, and then bam, get hit the other way. That is sickening too. Especially when you're in a let's say a 50K account and the profit target is 3 grand, 3K, and you're only like say $100 or $200 away from it and end up blowing it because you was so close over trade. Yeah, this guy, I've done that for sure. I think every trader has done that. It is part of the journey. How lessons are learned. We got about 5 minutes before we hit the whole hour. Is the whole hour going to bring any volume? What it's going to be? It's going to be 7 o'clock market time. Yeah, you got that right, Swang. It is. That's what I'm going to start asking people on the streams every day when it comes up and be like, have you kept track with how many accounts you've blown when you was within a certain percentage of passing eval? If they can't give me the answer to that, or if it's a low number, I'm going to say you need to blow a bunch more than that, and you're going to get it. Although it might take someone less times doing it versus somebody else to do it, you know? SpecialK says she's learned a whole lot today. A whole lot of what? What did you learn today, Special? Wayne said you ain't a real trader until you did something stupid like that. Yeah, I have to agree with that, to be honest. Oh, had nothing to do with trading. Look, here I thought SpecialK was about to give me some kind of props, like maybe she learned something from me today while we was trading. I should know better. She'll probably say, "Yeah, I learned how to get red today because of you." My blood don't ever boil. I'm too cool, calm, and collective for that. Oh, nice.
But then his crazy wife was in the background. That does get
You just and look, I just said that my blood don't ever boil, but you just made it boil by coming in and talking in my mic like that. What about when you're trying to get in a trade and you accidentally double or triple click sometimes, and you got your quantity set at say 3 or 4 or 5, and you meant to hit it once somehow or another. Maybe you had a twitch in your finger, and
no fight here.
ow! Why'd you just smack me?
Really? Wait, it's gonna happen.
Spouse abuse. Get away from me. Don't mess up my trading now. I'm trying to get this. Trying to get this $10 so I can. Well, I mean, it don't matter if I get 10 or not. I'm not going to pass eval with $10.
That just off the line.
Look, now they're driving. They finally want to act like they want to take it off once momentum was all the way to the top.
Well, I've noticed when the Asia session. Of course, I don't get home until 8 o'clock at night. They will creep it up, but you have to have the perfect.
Where's the perfect entry right now? Like right here.
Double tap that pre-market high.
Yeah, swing. It sounded like you was. It sounded like you was asking us to fight.
You don't have to worry about us.
Might not have to worry about her.
You might have to worry about me tomorrow when I go to work.
Oh, I'm not worried. I'll come down there. One long at 368.
Didn't hold it.
Richard went for the long. I don't know if I want to take it long yet. The 1 and 2 minutes looking pretty rough. I know that the Asia session's kind of weird. I don't.
Throw in 40 points.
I don't think I want. I just can't. I can't. There's a lot of room to the upside on the 5 minute, but the 1 and 2. Maybe we get some kind of pullback. Let's put us a trend line. Take these off. This one, and then let's take one and see what we got going on from the bottom here, and just see. We do have some higher lows being put in. Now we got a higher high in this leg. So, I mean, we need to be looking to tackle that 15-minute high. Take this down trend line off for now. Maybe they cool the 1 and 2 minute off just a tad bit. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be right back with you guys. I need to go flip these ribs, or I mean unwrap these ribs and check them out real quick. All right, guys, I'm back. Boy, them ribs are looking mighty fine, too. Oh, yeah, we'll take this long right here. You need to be more patient, huh? See what they're working with. Gotta get that 300. Gotta get. We got, and they cooled the 1 minute off, trying to curl it back above the 50-yard line here. And then the 5's got plenty of room to the upside. So, we just need to see see them stay above this trend line, really. Keep putting in these higher lows. We don't need to be putting in lower lows. Look at now they want to go against me and take all my money away. Oh man, I've done it now. I've done it now. All back to them. All back. Come on, let's go. Push. Show me the money. Got this. Push it on up. Tag it. Are you serious right now? Wow. Sure looked like it tagged it. But didn't trigger. Come on, let's push. Give me a little something. Trying to force that way to 300. I'm going to end up break even. Killing me. Oh no. Richard's in it short, raking in the dough. I'm giving it back. Oh well. Well, it happens, you know. 7:10 market time. Go on, give me that push. Oh, give me the push. Said I don't think so. I don't think so. Not being very nice to me. Dun 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 dun. How low can you go? Ouch. Guess you can go that low. That stung a little bit. Low can you go? How low can you go? How low? Hey, oh my goodness. Ouch. Keeps stinging me. Burns. Minor EMA's swing. You already know I'm about to do something stupid here. Just a minute. Good job, Richard. Good job. The Asia market treating me horrible. Oh, I'm gonna add to my position. Probably won't be a very smart move, but might do it anyway. Oh no. $7.15 market time. $7.15 market. Ugh. No tilting allowed. Oh man, SpecialK's calling me out. Well, my trade's in a horrible position now, but I mean, I'm not horrible bad. I'm in the red, but I'm not yet close to 300 if it turns back down here. 300 is just one good trade away from break even. The question is, are they going to bounce it? Because I will add to my position down here, but they need to prove to me that they might want to protect this low, and not break it. Because if we break it, we could be going to 292 and so on and so on. Them levels I was calling out earlier on that drop. But they may have different plans. Who knows? I know because if I add, I'm going to have more size than I usually would get. I don't even really want to have that many like that in this session for sure. New York's different, but now that stings a little more right there. Stings a little bit more. A little harsher than I like. What if they're just sweeping down that low? What if they sweep here and then turn around and drive us back up though? Are they putting in a new low on the 4-hour candle? Yeah, looks like they want to do something. They want to take all my money. Now they got me 500. Not too happy about that. I guess I ought to cut my trade right here. I hate to cut my trade here in this next 15-minute candle push back in the range though. I'll be so mad at myself. We're cutting. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut. I'm at 600 in the red. 50. 700. They went down there and hit that 292 almost. Really want to see if they push out of that. If they push out of 292. I don't know if it'll be enough though, to be honest. And I can't wait for a 15-minute candle to close. Golly, really? This is that flush I was talking about earlier. Richard locking in the profit. Good job, Richard. Maybe one more can do it. Come on, push. Oh, push. Push. I don't know if it'll hold or not. I don't know. I'm in trouble if it don't. Push. Push. Let's get that push. Probably give me the push once I'm out of all my contracts. 500 in the red. Guess I'm better off than I could be, considering what I just did. Y'all are enjoying the stream. Don't forget to smash that like button. We get to 25 likes, I'll give away a copy of the Trader Mindset book. And if we got any new members, let us know in chat so we can welcome you to the community. Me, I went from almost 300 in the green to I was averaging close to 800 or 900 in the red. Currently at about 455 in the red. Hey, it's all for entertainment, right? Push. Pushing. We so far down, I forgot I had orders so high on the screen. Pips is with us tonight. What made me add so many at the lows? Watching how the price action was acting across multiple time frames. Of course, watching the 1 minute candles close and paying attention to where we were on the higher time frame and how it was reacting to the level that it was at. I've been talking when we tried to short this back here. That's where I think I made most of my money was in that short. I was trying to short it to 292 to this level, so I was long in it. I should have cut the trade. It is what it is. I was waiting to see if we was going to test that level on the 15, 292, and we got down to what, 289. Found a little bit of support there. That give me another one of those candles. They keep doing this, I might end up back in the green. You know what? Need to put one of these down here at structure. 50 on 1 minute. Yeah, I mark it in and limit out myself. Mark it in, limit out. I'm like Christmas. Like Christmas time, I go from red to green, to red to green, to red to green, to red to green. So what I say we was in the red, we was down there when I decided to. I knew I was going to do something. You never do what I just did unless you're completely comfortable with what you're doing. Because I practically had just over 3 minis. I appreciate that, Pips. I don't want to do that. Oh yeah, I'll do that. Hold on. Let me put this here. I need to lock in what I can since I'm back in red, but you know, usually levels don't lie. Most of the time if they lie, it's because of news. You know, you can have all the greatest levels marked out, be doing a great job, and something drop in the news and your whole chart gets invalidated. Every zone, just everything. See what we're doing here. 15-minute candle just closed. Push back up within the structure. So, man, what should we do here? Let's see. Where's that at? 290. I can't do that. I'll just leave. Now, I'm going to close this out. 350. 350. 350, 350. Hey, not too bad. 300 in the green, about 800 or 900 in the red, 700, something like that. Yeah, I'm in the red, 350. One good trade away. One good trade away. I swear Asia don't never move. I've tried to trade the Asia session at night, and Tuesday it did pretty good at moving, and now it is. So I don't understand what's going on. You was talking to Jay?
Yeah.
Why are you talking to all them people from work? State Farm?
Jay, not Jay from State Farm.
What are you talking about?
Your boo.
Oh, we're talking to him where?
On Facebook. On Facebook. On the Discord.
Oh, really?
I said you disappeared and then reappeared. That I'm always watching, but busy, so I can't trade.
I figured he was working pretty hard. I've been wondering. I seen he posted something in Discord the other day. And look at this. Look at this. I jump in, and look at this.
Ouch.
Look at this. Do, 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 do. I thought I was doing pretty good getting out of the red. I guess not. Messing around. Come on down here to low. Need to break that low. Asia session got me all tore up now. Come on. Where's the bears at? There wasn't no bulls trying to help me push it up. Where them bears at? Yeah, swing. That's what I was saying. I mean, Tuesday it was moving too. I swear, if I get on this on a night and I'm not streaming, it's like dead in the water. It seems like dead in the water. I'm talking about. Let's go. Show us the death candle. Show us how to drain this off overnight. You can do it. Come on, Asia session. Show us what a real drop looks like. Just won't let me out, will you? You won't let me out. Screen. How it is. See how it is. Take some there. Gotta be careful here with the old drawdown on the eval. Old drawdown on the. I hope that everybody is doing better than I am. I hope you are. I done some dumb things on the stream tonight. Whatever you do not follow me. Crazy. Crazy. Don't you do it. Don't you trade, Swain. I'm about to go full port in a minute. I'm not going to do nothing like that. Need to go on and drop this. Messing around. Break below 285. Come on, get below 285. No, you want to. No, I'm not gonna do pulling no pork. But we're gonna just eat some ribs. Some ribs. Oh yeah, let's go. I was away from the desk making a drink. I got the stream up on the big screen so that I could see it from where I was at. And I was like, oh yeah, baby, keep going down. Come on, baby. Turn back around. Turn back around. Around. Cause man, if we can get that 15-minute candle close below 285, we're gonna see. We're gonna be looking for 252, and then we're gonna be looking for 150 or so. That's the level I'm looking at. It looks like 252 to me. It might be 253. I can't tell from what I'm looking at, but yep, that's where I'm looking. Where I'm looking. I'm gonna put this tight to that wick, and I guess I don't need there like that, but I can do something like got 5 minutes on the 15-minute candle before it closes. The extra top up here in case we get some dumb candle. I'm protected all the way around. Patience pays. What order filled? I wasn't even looking at the screen. Man, would go that way. If you enjoying the streams, make sure you smash that like button on the stream. Helps push it out there further on YouTube. Helps grow the community. If anybody is new here, let us know in chat. And hey, if you want to Join Discord. I'll throw the link into the Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe to YouTube channel. You can set those notifications. That way you'll always be notified every time we go live. We live stream 5 days a week, the New York Open. We're going to start probably doing the Asia session Tuesdays and Thursdays as of now, depending on how they turn out. Let's go. How's everybody doing? I mean, are we green? Are we red? Man, I'll tell you what. I got this pretty good feeling right now, considering I'm only like I think $100, $3 or $4 or $5 in the red now. We could just get this drop. That 15-minute candle has 3 minutes to close. If we could get it to break below the overnight low and close in 3 minutes, man, might see something nice coming to the day. Go push and close below. Two minutes, push down. Yep, swing, ready to get back at it, swing. Come on, y'all. Let's go. To the downside we go. We got about 12 likes on the stream. If we can run it up to 21. Wanting to give the Futures Trader Mindset book away to somebody. Yeah. 5 likes. I'm so heartbroken. Nobody likes to stream. Can you believe that? Come on, you 15-minute candle. Quit teasing us. You got 1 minute. 1 minute to close below 280. You can do it. As a matter of fact, close at 270. Man, come on. Are you really going to protect the low? Don't be protecting the structure. Just drop. Hey, what's going on, Brian? Everybody welcome Brian to the stream. First time here. Brian, we trade the New York Open 5 days a week, and we're just testing the Asia sessions Tuesday and Thursday right now. See how they turn out. We might, never know, we might do them a little more. We'll see. Come on, we're about to get that close. 15 seconds. Close down. Push the 270. Push 270. Don't make me start acting like an auctioneer on here. Come on. Push. Are you serious right now? Wow. That's messed up. It closed right on it. Come on, let's go. I'm going to move top now. Not liking what's going on here. About 7:45 market time. Let's go. Yeah. Not nearly as volatile as the New York session for sure. I actually hate the Asia session myself, and it's usually too slow for me. But then we streamed Tuesday night, and it was active like this. I mean, it seemed like it was moving pretty good, and then tonight it is. But I tell you, I've tried to trade this session before, and I just sit there and ATRs at like 2 or 3, and I'm like, trade this? Got time to be sitting around waiting for this thing to move 10 points in 15 or 20 minutes. Richard's back in the short. Said he's going to add in at 269. Add to the position. I hold my 1 for now, and I'm going to let the runner do its thing and see if how it treats me. How it treats me. A lot can happen in a 10-minute candle. It's still got a lot of time left. If we could somehow get a flush to say 150 to 155, that would be great. All the way down there, right at the top side of the previous day low, and a bunch of 4-hour. We got a big 4-hour imbalance down here. 112 to 151. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'll add to my position. Maybe. We'll see. I doubt it, but I just want to see the waterfall. You know what I mean? I want to see them close below that structure. And what if they close this 15 minutes below 2? That would be great. We might see another 100-point move to the downside if they could do that. We got 11 minutes, 50 seconds. So on the 15 minute, if it closes below 252, 253, I bet we visit 155 or 150, 155 in no time. I usually try to stay out pips if it's chopping. Well, I definitely try to be out of the market if it's chopped. Now range is a little different story. If it's ranging, it's by choice because not all range days are treated equally. Some range days, in my opinion, for myself as a trader, aren't worth trading. Some are. Really depends on what we mean by range because there's different types of range, and I will trade range days. Some of them, not all of them, because some, like I said, they're just not for me, trader. But I want to see this thing where this closes in 10 minutes because I could add to this position. Say it bounces somewhere, but don't get a really good bounce. That's when you want to add to a position, is on a bounce back and then see it reject. Say that it were to bounce back to the 15-minute low, and then it looks like it's still going to roll back over from that point. Then you want to add right there, and as it keeps dropping, if you get another bounce, base everything based on structure. I don't really look for runners, but I do try to know what the possibilities are that might be in your favor. Levels to be breaking and what to target next. And if you're looking at multiple time frames, sometimes you can see when something looks like it's wanting to roll over a little better. I mean, there's just a lot that goes into it. I'm going to close this out right here. Oh, are you serious? Does it say I'm $53 in the red? Wasn't I like literally way down not very long ago? What about that? You know what? That is a win to me. I went from the 300 almost in the green, like 290, to like I was way down. Whew. Man, what a evening. I don't know if I'm gonna trust the long here. Like I said, you know, they come back and test 15-minute low, even the EMA up here, possibly a 30-minute low, but still get rejection. So I'm gonna hold out for right this second. I kind of feel like I am over trading a bit. Hey, it is what it is, right? If we have any new members on with us today, let us know in chat so we can welcome you. We had a new member pop up in chat, and I didn't see nobody welcoming. That wasn't very nice. Who did we have that was new here? I think it was Brian, maybe. Brian Phipps. There it is. Now we got some people welcoming some people. Um, you know, if you're new here, make sure to smash that like and subscribe on YouTube. That way you'll always be notified when we go live. Whether you're just going to trade the Asia session or if you do trade any of the New York session, we trade 5 days a week, New York Open. Tuesdays and Thursdays right now on the Asia sessions till I figure out what to do. As far as the Asia session goes, if I'm going to add more evenings or I was about to take a long here, but I think I need to get away from the chart. I need to stop doing that. Although I kind of like it. Oh, and it could still be going down. No. Whatever. We're going to go for it. Three. There. We can push to the 50 on the 1 minute. Swang said I should be dead. I should be. I agree, Swang. But I'm not. Not yet. I gotta get $10 more. 10 more. Get $10. Should have took that advice, probably, Swang. I know you ain't about to go back down. Are you serious right now? Yeah, that's why I was saying that. Get $10 more. I need more than 10. need $50 more, $53 more. Now I need more dollars because I'm in the red. That's all right. We're going up. I ain't worried about it. I just shook the magic 8 ball, okay? And I said, are we going to go up or down on NQ? And the magic 8 ball didn't even take that much time. It just automatically said to the moon. So I was like, all right, then. Go along then. You know, the magic 8 ball ain't never wrong. uh, You know what? If I end up in the red, I'm going to say the same thing I said Tuesday night. Don't worry. I'll get it back tomorrow in pre-market in the New York section. Oh my goodness. What are they doing? I didn't work so hard trying to get out of the red the $53 to be back in the red like that. Yeah, it is. They really trying to put a hurting on the market, driving it down like it. Now I'm back in the red, 228, 28. All right, though they might. Let's go. We're gonna take short here and look for the 15-minute candle to close below 252, 4, 3, something like that. We got 2 minutes on the 15-minute candle. We need to push and close below the overnight low right here. If we can push and close below that, we should see almost a 100-point move to the downside because there's nothing in the way after it. If it breaks this low, there's nothing in the way. Nothing. Second, need to come on push it down. Like the 15-minute candle closes back still above that structure there. What are they doing? I might have to give it up. Come on, you can push down, do it. Give me a 100-point move to the downside. On you can come on, push down there and break it. Close it there on the 15-minute. We're trying to see the waterfall tonight. Let's see it. Do it. Don't make me ask the magic 8 ball again. Come on. Oh, it's not going to close below. It's 6 seconds. Come on. For real right now? Oh, do it. Go on and do it. Keep pushing. I want to see it. Took one off manually. Take two off manually. Come on, push. Come on, push. Go. Do what, babe? Keep pushing down. Don't be scared. Take one off there. Take two off there. I got one left. Gonna see if we ride here for a second. Got any new members here with us? Let us know in chat. That way we can welcome you to the community. If you hadn't already, smash that like and subscribe on YouTube, and that way you can set them notifications so you know every time we go live. For those that are on here, we live stream the New York Open 5 days a week. 9:30 market time, usually on a little bit before that. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays is what we're doing right now as far as the Asia session, trying to get a feel for things. So I appreciate everybody showing up and showing out and being part, showing the support and the love, hanging out with us, trying to lock in that green. I'm going to close this trade out in a minute because I'm going to close it right there. Who got back in the green? Oh, that's so funny. Woo! I'm not even taking another trade because my ribs are about to come off here in the next 5 or 6, 7 minutes. I'm going to be tying the stream up. I'm going to be done for the night. But hey, patience. Patience, patience, patience. It's been a wild ride in the Asia session. Ups and downs all around. Hey, but I got back in the green. And that's all that's important. I really do want to see that drop to 150. I think it's going to be coming in. But I'm going to go on and end the stream for tonight because I got to finish my ribs and all that mess. I hope everybody stays safe, stay sharp here in the Asia session, stay green. And I hope to see everybody who is coming to the New York session. We'll be there in the morning, you know. Same place, same time. Thanks for showing up and showing out with us in support. I will see everybody tomorrow.